कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Sorkar jila kala Thung da ka Magisterial Enquiry ne ka jing toket Magistor halor ka jing Pluh jong ka Ïing mala ki Singhania ha ka khat sau trek risau araja pulai ha thana road police bazar ka balong ru ka kat khayi ka ba he henrei ka ba khapnya ha ka likawan u Sanjay Goyal bulong commissioner and secretary bapet iknat revenue disaster management jong ka Sorkar jila ha ka ji kran megila pathai ku bor lo ong ba ka deputy commissioner kala dep Thung ya ka jing toket Magistor but la community baya ka kai phot on sa IT hapo ka shiposngi ya kani jing toket on clear da additional deputy commissioner ban ti bnya ya ka daw tan rai lor ka jings dang jo ka ding ka bala pin kala de pe ya ka Ïing jong ki Singhania ha police bazar
to the cause of the accident and what kind of damage and what kind of this thing and what was our response time and all. Though I have a preliminary report, but a detailed inquiry report has been set up by the deputy commissioner, who is the incident commander of the district disaster management authority also. So we are expecting to get this detailed report from the deputy commissioner in 10 days time. That's what the time frame. The inquiry has been ADC level officer will conduct this inquiry and will look after all these look into all these aspects which I have mentioned to you. And as far as this particular incident and building is concerned, as I mentioned, we have roped in the National Institute of Technology, who will be doing the structural or safety audit not only of the building which has damaged, but the building adjacent to them also. Like I think one side we have Pyle Cinema building, the other side another building is there. So they will be doing the safety audit and the structural safety test of those buildings also, and accordingly we will take a decision. See, that will come up in the detailed inquiry report, but preliminary what I understand is, of course, because the structure, the middle structure, as you people must be aware, was the Assam type structure, the wooden structure, which catches fire very fast. And then after the collapse of the structure, after a particular time, we visited that site, a lot of tin sheds were there. Below the tin sheds were the inflammable materials. So most probably that could be one reason that it took time for us to reach the materials which were inflammable, because every now and then the fire was dousing and again it was coming up. So that could be the possible reason. But as I mentioned, the detailed cause of this thing and the reason for it taking slightly longer period to this thing, because availability of the fire tender was not an issue. Almost 25 fire tenders were put into service, not only from the fire and services emergency service department, but the other forces also, like your armed forces, like your air force, your army and all. So I believe that one reason could be that the approach to the building from the front, from the back and all those things, the more approachable the building is, the faster is the reaction time for us.